Welcome to the Idea Exchange Hub. Today we'll explore how to share ideas and reach a group consensus creatively and effectively. This activity encourages participation, enhances collaboration, and helps us tackle challenges together in a safe and inclusive environment. First, let's set the context. Depending on the goal, this method can help us plan an event, analyze a text, or solve a problem. For this example, we'll plan a class excursion together. Each participant will write at least one idea on a separate sheet of paper. For example, a dream destination for our trip. Don't worry, there are no wrong ideas here. Once everyone is done, the ideas are displayed for the group to see. Next, the facilitator groups similar ideas, destinations, themes, or approaches, so we can see patterns and common interests. Now, we'll split into teams. Each group will develop a plan based on their assigned idea. Think about logistics like transportation, costs, and activities. Your goal is to make a convincing case for your idea. After 15 minutes of planning, it's time to present. Each team shares their idea, keeping it short, creative, and clear. Once all plans are presented, they're displayed for everyone to review. Now, it's voting time. Each of you gets one vote to pick the idea you like best. Place your sticker or mark next to your favorite plan. The plan with the most votes wins. Congratulations to the team behind the winning idea. Before we wrap up, let's reflect. Thank you for participating in the Idea Exchange Hub. Remember, teamwork and creativity can help us achieve great things.